Yeah, let's get to that in a second. I saw an interesting comment that somebody sent in here, a tool, and I just see that we all have these challenges and these struggles that are really put before us. And a tool says here it's very difficult to handle at the time of redelivery of an aircraft. Digital is easier. But what if some of the documents that you need to modify or correction is required? And I frequently see people that actually have documents that are not accurately corrected, or there's multiple documents, or they haven't been signed properly, or, Bill, what do you say to that?
Oh, I love this question. It's a great question, because that's how it was done in the past. There was some paper and somebody found, oh, well, they didn't spell the figures correctly, or we now changed the part number. So they scratched it out. They put a new number in, or words or whatever, and this is simply not possible. No document in the digital world, in our digital world, no document can be changed. But of course, the document through the lifetime of the product can be updated with additional information, with new maintenance protocols, with new quality inspection protocols. But all of this only staggered one above the other, so you will never lose the original documentation.
Yeah, you know what? As I think about the challenges that people are faced with out there, is we know that people need to have accurate records for components and for aircraft, and many times we find that the records are, missing or incomplete, or they're not properly completed, or we find that maybe there's a component and all the records aren't there for the component. And I've seen people that have actually had to go back and check things on the aircraft and actually have to redo, component overhauls in order to be able to verify the records. And we've seen fraudulent, documents, fraudulent, components and things out there because the records are not accurately kept track of. And so there are so many challenges that we're really faced with. So, Bill, I can see that these are the reasons, some of the reasons why you're doing these kind of things.